Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make キャベツとカニカマのサラダ。It's very simple and easy cabbage and crab stick salad. It's like Japanese version of coleslaw. The cabbage is wilted, so you can have a lot of cabbage, good for your health. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with the salad. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some cabbage. It's about 1 kilo. 100 grams of crab sticks. You can of course use real crab meat instead. 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available. 1 tablespoon of ponzu sauce. 1 teaspoon each of garlic paste and salt. And some salt and pepper to taste. Let's cut the cabbage first. You just need to make it into thin strips. So let's cut it into half. Cut the core off. And just slice thinly. Put it in a large bowl. Same for the other half. Let's add salt and mix like you're rubbing it. The salt is circulated all over the cabbage and it's sweating. Let's leave it for 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm making the dressing. Ponzu sauce, garlic, mayonnaise, some salt and pepper in another large bowl and give it a good mix. And the dressing is ready. It's been 10 minutes and the cabbage is wilted. Take some and squeeze it really, really well. Salad spinner isn't strong enough to do the job. Into the bowl of dressing. Okay, all done. A lot of water came out from the cabbage. You don't need it, so you can throw it away. Then add crab sticks as you tear it into pieces. Let's toss everything well with the dressing at the bottom of the bowl. And it's done! Very easy! Let's serve in the bowl. Some black pepper if you like. Andキャベツとカニカマのサラダ is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's so fresh. The mayonnaise dressing with a hint of garlic makes the whole salad so rich and flavorful. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. キャベツとカニカマのサラダ is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Plain rice here, and mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the main, but how about 鶏のネギソース? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!